space for the international delegates, if there is a space constraint. So I request the Indian delegates to make space for our guests if there is a constraint of space. Please make sure that all international guests have a proper seating space.
Hi, how are you?
And we have a listening room to go to the window. I request the private secretary to Honorable Minister to take a seat in the front row, please. Take a seat.
तीन दिवसीय अभी तक विभिन्न सत्रों की बैठकों में वित्तीय अपराधों को रोकने के लिए वैश्विक दृष्टिकोण की आवश्यकता पर जोर देते हुए विशेषज्ञों द्वारा अपने अपने देश में इसके लिए किए जा रहे नवाचारों की जानकारी प्लेनरी बैठक के शुभारंभ के लिए अनुरोध करूंगी माननीय राज्यपाल महोदय और सम्मानीय मंच से कि हमारी सनातन परंपरा का निर्वहन करते हुए इस अलौकिक प्रकाश पुंज का प्रज्वलन आपके कर कमलों से कर इस बैठक का आज इस सत्र का शुभारंभ करने का आपसे सादर अनुरोध। दीप प्रकाश का उजियारे का प्रतीक है। सकारात्मक भाव के साथ दीप की हर बाती प्रस्फुटित होकर एक नई रोशनी का उजियारा हम तालियों के माध्यम से हम अपनी सद्भावना इसके प्रति प्रस्तुत करें। अस्तो मां सद्गमय तमसो मां ज्योतिर्गमय इस भाव के साथ इस प्रकाश पुंज का प्रज्वलन संजय मल्होत्रा जी सचिव राजस्व वित्त मंत्रालय भारत सरकार से की माननीय राज्यपाल महोदय मध्य प्रदेश मंगू भाई जी पटेल का स्वागत पुष्पगुच्छ के माध्यम से करें। संजय मल्होत्रा जी सचिव जी से मेरा सादर अनुरोध। माननीय राज्यपाल महोदय का स्वागत हम सबके स्वागत भावों के पुष्प के साथ करने का आपसे निवेदन। हम जोरदार तालियों की गूंज से हमारे माननीय राज्यपाल महोदय का माल्या करने में स्वागत करते हैं। अनुरोध विवेक अग्रवाल जी अतिरिक्त सचिव वित्त।
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I have the honor to extend a warm welcome to the chief guest of today's inaugural ceremony, Honorable Governor of Madhya Pradesh. Governor in Indian state is the head of the state, and all functions of the state government are in the name of the governor of the state. Mr. Patel has worked extensively for the welfare of common people. He has taken it as a personal cause to care for the children who are suffering from sickle cell anemia, and he does extensive work for upliftment of common people, the poor people, and downtrodden sections of Indian society. We extend a very warm welcome on behalf of the Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance, for his presence, his gracious presence in the 41st EAG plenary, which is also the 20th anniversary of formation of EAG, and that has come to India as a host, which is a great honor for us to host this plenary. Now I would like to introduce Shri Pankaj Chaudhary. Shri Pankaj Chaudhary is Minister of State for Finance in Government of India. He looks after particularly the functions of Department of Revenue and also functions which look at anti-money laundering and counter-terror financing at the national level. He guides us. He is also the authority which helps us to implement all the measures, all the policy issues that we decide to take up. I would also like to introduce Shri Tulsiram Silawat ji. He is also a local member of the Legislative Assembly. He's had a very long political career in serving the people of Indore and serving the people of Madhya Pradesh. And he also is a great leader who looks at the welfare of downtrodden and poor people of the state. You already know the Mayor of Indore, Shri Pushyamitra Bharga's department for this region. We have also Mr. Ajay Atri, who is Principal Chief Commissioner for Income Tax. We have the Chief Commissioner of Central GST, Shri C.P. Goyal, who is also here to attend this inaugural plenary session. I would now request Shri Sanjay Malhotra ji to make his address to the House.
Thank you. Thank you, Vivek. His Excellency, the Governor of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Mangubhai Ji Patel, the Honorable Union Minister of State for Finance, Shri Pankaj Chaudhary Ji, the Honorable Minister for Water Resources, Government of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Tulsi Ramji Silawat, the Mayor of Indore, Shri Pushyamitra Bhargav Ji, all dignitaries on the dais, especially Mr. Yuri Chingachin, the EAG chairperson, all the distinguished heads of delegations who arrived here from various parts of this region, delegates from the member states and other observers, my colleagues from the union government and the state government, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to all of you. I am indeed very, very happy to be here in the midst of this House gathering, present over here for the 41st EAG plenary meeting in this cleanest city. And I would like to, my first visit to Indore, I would like to congratulate the Honorable Mayor and the state government. Really very pleased to see the cleanliness here in this city. We have, of course, read about it, heard about it, but this is my first experience of visiting this business capital of Central India, the cleanest city of India, fastest growing city of India. So many congratulations to the state government and the municipal commission and the district authorities. I want to start by acknowledging the incredible 20-year journey of this EAG group. It's been now 2 decades that EAG has been on the forefront of anti-money laundering and counter-finance terrorism activities in this region. The EAG has done an outstanding job fostering a deeper understanding of the AML and CFT issues, the risks associated with ML and TF, especially in this Eurasian region, and also in the whole of the world, navigating the unique challenges that we all face in combating these threats. The EAG has played a critical role in strengthening the technical capacities and facilitating collective action amongst the members in this region. I'm told even when this round of new evaluations is looming on the horizon, the EAG is proactively engaged in making improvements to the standards, looking at the long term and not only at the short term, immediate measures that are needed. It is therefore no wonder that all the countries here which are represented in this EAG group, none of them are actually in the grey list. It is no mean achievement.